Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be taking a look at a Starlink and Wi-Fi install on a property with multiple LEDs. The plan: to install the Starlink on the main house and then wirelessly send the signal between the other LEDs, providing the whole site with connection from one place. To do this, we took the wire from the Starlink out through the rear wall of the property. Then we proceeded to add a bracket to the side of the house. Once the fixings were in place, a pole was made up and the wire fed through the copex. The Starlink was then installed on the pole to give it enough elevation to provide the site with the best possible connection. A Ubiquiti wireless link was also installed on the pole, and from this position it will send the signal out to the other properties on the site.